Students, I, Prashant Bhagwat, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. In the video series, we are dealing with the English course book for class 10, and in today's video segment, we are going to learn the poem composed by Henry Samberg Leigh. The title of the poem is The Twins. Come on, let's learn the poem. In form and feature, face and limb, I grew so like my brother, that folks got taking me for him, and each for one another. At the start of the poem, the poet clears here that they had the similarity in them. They means the twins, both the brothers, were physically same, form and feature, structure and appearance, face and limb. They grew like one another. So folks got taking me for him, and each for one another. So people around them were so confused that they mixed their identity, and there were so much confusion there. छात्रों, इस कविता से कवि दो जुड़वा भाइयों के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहता है। शारीरिक स्थिति में वो दोनों एक समान दिखते थे, फॉर्म एंड फीचर, फेस एंड लिम्ब, दोनों वैसे ही बड़े होते चले गए, जिनके कारण उनके आजू बाजू में जो भी लोग थे वो हमेशा इस दुविधा में रहते थे कि इनकी पहचान कैसे करें, और वो एक दूसरे की पहचान में कंफ्यूज हो जाते थे। It puzzled all our kith and kin. It reached a fearful pitch. For one of us was born a twin, yet not a soul knew which. In the following lines, the poet says, it puzzled, it confused all our kith and kin relatives, and it reached a great height. ये जो घटना थी वो ऐसे ही बढ़ती रही, और ये जो कन्फ्यूजन था, पजल, वो उन सब के जो रिलेटिव्स थे उनको भी कंफ्यूज करता रहा, और इसकी जो गति थी वो भी लगातार बढ़ती गई, और उसको धोखादायक ऐसा कहा गया है। और इस दुनिया में कोई नहीं जानता था कि इन दोनों में से कौन जुड़वा पैदा हुआ है। इन द नेक्स्ट स्टांजा, one day, to make the matter worse, before our names were fixed, as we were being washed by nurse, we got completely mixed. And what did happen before their christening ceremony? Christening ceremony, for simple, we can say it is as a naming ceremony. Before their names were fixed, they were completely mixed by the nurse. जो नर्स उनका ख्याल रखती थी, उसके द्वारा एक दिन ऐसा हुआ कि उसने गलती से इन बच्चों को चेंज कर दिया। एंड thus you see, by fate's decree, or rather nurse's whim, my brother John got christened me and I got christened him. और हम सब अब यहाँ समझ सकते हैं कि जो नसीब है उसके जजमेंट के द्वारा, डिक्री, उसके निर्णय द्वारा, और किंबहुना यहाँ ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि जो नर्स थी उसी के कारण मेरा जो नाम था, मेरे को जो नाम दिया जाने वाला था जॉन, वो नाम मेरे भाई को दिया गया, और उसका जो नाम पहले से ही तैयार था वो नाम मुझे दिया गया। In the third stanza, the poet says, this fatal likeness even dogged my footsteps when at school, and I was always getting flogged, for John turned out a fool. And this similarity, likeness, physical appearance, structure, went to follow their footsteps even at school. And whenever John would do some naughty work, the poet will be punished. ये जो साम्यता थी वह उनके साथ हमेशा के लिए चलती रही, और स्कूल में भी जब जब जॉन कुछ शिकायतें करता था, कुछ बैड थिंग्स करता था, उसकी पनिशमेंट हमेशा कवि को ही मिलती थी. I put this question fruitlessly to everyone I knew. What would you do if you were me to prove that you were you? And the poet asked a question to almost everyone whom he knew. But he didn't receive the answer, so he called it fruitlessly. What was the question? What would you do if you were me to prove that you were you? The question was, what would you do to prove your identity? आगे कवि कहता है कि मैंने एक सवाल हर एक से पूछा था. वो सवाल था, आप क्या करोगे आपकी पहचान ठीक से लोगों को बताने के लिए. लेकिन इस सवाल का जवाब कोई भी नहीं दे पाता था, इसलिए उसने उस क्वेश्चन को फ्रूटलेस कहा है. Our close resemblance turned the tide of my domestic life, for somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. And this resemblance, this similarity, this structure and appearance, sameness, likeness had done a great change in their domestic, personal, family life also. And his would-be wife, the poet's would-be wife, became his brother's wife. और ये जो साम्यता थी उनके दिखने में, वह उनके पर्सनल लाइफ में भी आ गई. उनकी जो फैमिली लाइफ थी वह भी डिस्टर्ब हो गई, और उसकी कवि की होने वाली पत्नी उसके भाई की पत्नी बन गई. In fact, year after year, the same absurd mistakes went on, and when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. And all these confusion had went a long time till the end of their life, and this confusion or the mistaken identities are called as absurd mistakes. And when the poet died, all the neighbors came and they mistook the identity of his brother John. They thought that person was the poet who was died. They took him to the burial place and buried him. यहाँ पर यह देखा जाता है कि यह जो गलतियां थी, जो हंसने वाली गलतियां हैं, हम सब उस पर हंस सकते हैं. यह गलतियां इन दोनों के जीवन के अंत तक चलती रही, जो जुड़वा बच्चे थे उनके अंत तक. और जब कवि का देहांत हुआ तब उनके पड़ोसी आ गए और कवि के भाई को ही कवि समझकर दफनाने के लिए ले गए. Thus, the poet explains the problems of twins. The poet was one of the twins who faced many difficulties throughout the life due to close resemblance. He and his brother had similarity in every aspect. People can find it interesting, but it was tough for him to adjust. Every time others used to confuse them, and this confusion lasted throughout the life. इस प्रकार इस कविता से कवि कहना चाहता है कि उन दोनों के जीवन में जो भी समस्याएं थी उनके जुड़वा होने के कारण उस पर उसने प्रकाश डाला है. कवि को बहुत सी परेशानियां उसके जीवन में झेलनी पड़ी थी, क्योंकि उन दोनों का जो शारीरिक दिखावा था वो बिल्कुल सेम ही था. लोगों को इसमें मजा आता था, लोग हंसते थे, लेकिन उन दोनों के लिए ये एडजस्ट करना बहुत मुश्किल था. यह कंफ्यूजन चलता ही रहा और उनके जीवन का अंत भी हो गया. A gentle reminder to all of you. If you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for many more educational videos. Thank you.